If the kids win, they get a trip to see the circus. Of course, they were going whether they won or not.
When that whistle blows, eat.
This event was well covered by cameras from all 3 Chicago network TV stations. Even though the clowns appeared to eat more noodles, Kevin declared the kids the winners because Ryan had done the unthinkable, used his hands.
Say you're sorry. Is it okay, boys and girls?
Then it was time for the China acrobatic troupe to enthrall these youngsters. If you were watching the NBC station's 5 o'clock news that afternoon, here's what you saw.
Well, local school children put their stomachs to the test against some silly competitors today. The clowns and kids had to eat as many noodles as they could using only chopsticks. Now, that sounds kind of fun. The prize was a free trip to the Ringling Bros. Barnum Bailey Circus. Youngsters at Chinatown's Puitak Christian School cheered on the eaters, and then afterwards, these acrobats helped with creative cleanup. They balanced dishes on their heads. Aren't they amazing?
Yeah, that looks like so much fun. Can you imagine?
Oh, my goodness.
At that school? Fun, fun, fun. It was. All right, it's
You should
Friday.
go to the circus.
It's Friday. I'm a little too happy. If there is a
From every standpoint, a successful PR event. Now here's an update on Nestor, the singing dog. He was under the weather for a week or so in Chicago, but he's back at his usual 150%. Reviews for his performances as a singing dog continue to roll in, and he responds quickly when his singing activities were played back on a nearby computer. Even in an adjacent room, he's on full alert when the trumpet sounds.
Here's Gabor. Hey, what's up, Gabor? Good to meet you, yeah. I know this guy from when he was like about this height.